Welcome to the Department of Medical Microbiology and Immunology at Creighton University. Our department includes 7 primary faculty members, including Dr. Richard Gearing, our department chair, Dr. Patrick Swanson, our graduate program director, Dr. Nancy Hansen, Dr. Jason Bartz, Dr. Kristen Drescher, Dr. Michael Belshin, and Dr. Travis Bourret. Research in our department is quite diverse, as shown by Dr. Gearing's research, which is focused on the molecular epidemiology of bacterial pathogens, including Clostridium difficile, Staphylococci, and staphylococcal diseases. Dr. Patrick Swanson studies the mechanisms of assembly of genes encoding antibodies, antibody selection and receptor editing, and anti-tumor immune responses associated with certain surgical techniques. Dr. Nancy Hansen studies PCR-based identification of genes associated with antibiotic resistance, along with the development of diagnostics for the early detection of pancreatic and esophageal cancers. Dr. Jason Bartz's research focuses on prion pathogenesis, including routes of entry of prions to the host, the role of the innate immune system in processing and transporting prions to secondary tissues, along with factors influencing the susceptibility of neurons to prion infection and/or replication. Dr. Kristen Drescher studies MS, including the role of immune factors involved with the development of pathology and clinical disease. Dr. Michael Belshin studies virus-host cell interactions. This includes proteomic analyses of HIV protein complexes, the role of host proteins in HIV replication, nuclear import of HIV pre-integration complexes, and the evaluation of inhibitors of HIV infection. Dr. Travis Bourret focuses on the genetic determinants of Lyme disease infection and tick-borne relapsing fever, and also conducts active and passive surveillance of ticks and tick-borne pathogens in the state of Nebraska. Our undergraduate researchers are supported by a variety of awards and fellowships, including the CURAS Faculty Research Award, CURAS Summer Undergraduate Research Fellowships, the Nebraska Embry Program, along with the Claire Booth Luce Program. What experiences will undergraduates have in our department? Well, they'll be exposed to a variety of laboratory techniques. They'll have a variety of opportunities to present their research at scientific meetings, and can also serve as co-authors on published manuscripts. Laboratory techniques that our students will become acquainted with and participate with in their research include a variety of molecular and cell biology techniques, including PCR, gene cloning, transcriptomics, whole genome sequencing, cell culture, and cell imaging. Additionally, several investigators in our department have animal models of infection. Students may also perform some biochemistry assays, including protein purification and enzymatic assays, along with classic bacteriology, which includes culture and isolation of bacterial pathogens, along with antibiotic susceptibility testing. Our undergraduate researchers have opportunities to present their research at local, regional, and national meetings. Some of the local meetings our students will present at include the annual meeting of the Nebraska Embry Program, St. Albert's Day, and at regional meetings, including the American Society of Microbiology Missouri Branch meeting, and the Nebraska Academy of Sciences annual meeting. Our students may also have the opportunity to present at national meetings, including the annual meeting of the American Society of Microbiology, called Microbe. Students may also participate in authoring manuscripts that are submitted for publication. Recent publications that have included undergraduate researchers from our department include those that are included in the journals Cellular Immunology, the Journal of Medical Entomology, and Blood. So what are the benefits of conducting research in our department? Well, aside from gaining technical expertise, our students also have the opportunity to interact with infectious disease personnel at all levels, including master's students, PhD students, MD and PhD students, clinical microbiologists, postdoctoral fellows, and other experts in the field. For more information about our department, the contact information for our graduate program director, Dr. Patrick Swanson, is listed below, along with our departmental webpage, our Facebook page, and we can also be found on Twitter with the handle @CreightonMMI.